Welcome to Module 12 for Word 2016. In this module, you'll learn how to resize rows and columns, configure cell margins and spacing, split tables, and configure a repeating row header. These will make your table easy to follow and have a professional appearance. You may notice the table needs to be resized to better fit the contents. You can do this in a few ways. One easy way is to manually adjust the row height or column width using a mouse or touch screen. Place your cursor anywhere on a vertical or horizontal table border to resize the width or height of a cell. Try moving the right edge of the table to the left a little. You can also adjust the cell size to a specific measurement by clicking a cell in the table and using the up and down arrows next to the width or height icons in the Table Tools Layout tab, or type in a specific dimension. In addition, you can change the amount of space that shows up between the text and the borders of the table. This is helpful because it can make the text in your table stand out even more. To do this, place your cursor in a cell and click the Cell Margins icon in the Alignment group. This brings up the Table Options box, where you can use the up and down arrows to adjust spacing between the cells and margins. Check the box to allow spacing between cells and adjust it up a bit as well as increase the top margin. Click OK to see the changes. At times, when you are working with tables, you may end up with a very long list. Word gives you the option to sort the data in your table just like you can in Excel. Highlight the table. Click Sort in the Data group on the Layout tab. Since there's only one column in this table, sort by column 1 in ascending order. This will alphabetize the data. Now the table group is organized first with information about penguins, then seals, then whales. Splitting tables is useful when you have a list of data that makes sense to be in separate tables, rather than all together. Place your cursor in the first row for seal data. Go to the Merge group in the Layout tab and click Split Table. Repeat this to separate the whale data. Now you have 3 distinct tables. Let's clean these up a bit. To add a title row, click anywhere in the top row and click Insert above on the Layout tab. Name the first table Penguins. Repeat for seals and whales. Now, delete the first word in each bullet since it is obvious that you are talking about penguins, whales, or seals. Also, remove the bullets from the tables. Splitting cells can be useful when you do not want to add another column, yet you need to separate your data. Click in the title row for penguins. On the Layout tab, click Split Cells. Choose 2 columns in 1 row. You now have created 2 cells out of 1. Just as you can split cells, you can also merge them. Click Merge Cells in the Merge group. Sometimes, when you are working with tables, you end up with a very long list that goes from left to right on the page and eventually continues to the page below. In this case, you may need to add a repeating row in your table. Simply select the row that you want to repeat as the header on the following page and click the Repeat Row Headers icon in the Data group.